Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, that is soil. In previous video already we have learned that what is that soil and what is the importance for the soil, and also we have discussed about that what is the soil profile. Soil profile means it is the layer of the soils. Especially the layer of the soils are three types generally. One is A horizon, B horizon and C horizon. A horizon is called as a topsoil and B horizon also it is called as a subsoil, and a C horizon is called as a bedrock or the parent rock. Okay. So students, now we are going to discuss about that. First, A horizon, that is topsoil. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about the topsoil and also subsoil. So let us start that. What is the topsoil? Topsoil means that students, it is the uppermost layer of the earth, uppermost layer of the surface, that soil, that is called as a topsoil, and especially this where that plants are growing, and all that some living organisms like bacteria, fungi and earthworm, they are living also in the topsoil. Okay students, and this soil especially dark color, and it contains also some humus, and which one gives also nutrients to the plants. So let us discuss about that, what are the features and what is the topsoil about this. Okay students, see the first definition. Topsoil, the uppermost layer of the soil is called the topsoil or the A horizon. What is that uppermost layer? That means already I have told students, I have drawn that picture students. Here I am doing just once. If like that three layers like that is there, here is the plants are growing, so this layer is called as a topsoil. Okay students, and uppermost layer of the soil, that whatever that we are working on that, generally we are agriculture also we are doing that in the topsoil, and its color, what are the features we have to discuss. It is shown the following features. What are the features of a topsoil? It is usually the darkest in color. How it is can see, what is the color of that topsoil? The color of the topsoil is dark color. Okay, darkest in color. It is rich in humus and it also make the soil fertile. Means friends, it contains that humus. Humus means that is more compost, like that it is helping to that agriculture also, and especially it helps to make that fertile. Okay. This layer is soft, porous and can hold a lot of water. This one having that water. This is uppermost layer of the soil, layer of the soil, and it contains that water. Soft it is, like that soft like, and also it has the porous. Porous means holes like it is there, and can oxygen or the gas can transfer. Okay. So and it can hold that a lot of water. So whenever it rain will come also can store also in this layer. The roots of the small plants are completely embedded in this topsoil. If you will see that the small plants like a grass or any flower plants or that rose plants or whatever you have seen, the plants roots are very small and it can stay only this topsoil. Okay, it can embedded means it can catch under topsoil. It is the home of many living organisms such as worms, insect, bacteria and fungi. Some like that microorganisms like what is that bacteria, fungi, and these are living in this soil. Okay, in the topsoil. Okay, and also micro, you have seen that earthworm is living in the soil also. Okay, bacteria, fungi, insects. Okay, these are living as like a home. That topsoil is as a home. It is a topsoil from which plant get the essential nutrients. Where we are getting that nutrients? Especially all the plants are getting nutrients from the soil. Where? From the topsoil or a horizon. Okay students, these all are the features about that topsoil students. And now we are going to discuss about that second layer of that soil, that is called as a B horizon, or it is called as also subsoil. The layer below the topsoil is called as the subsoil or B horizon or the middle layer. The second, that means the below the topsoil, what is that? Second layer is there, or it is also called as a middle layer. Also it is called as also B horizon. Also it is called as also subsoil. What is that to say? Subsoil. Okay. Is the topsoil, it is called as a subsoil. Okay. And what are the features? What are the features of the subsoil? We will discuss about that. It is lighter in color than the topsoil. Topsoil is the darkest color, but from that topsoil it is little lighter, that means not darkest dark color but lightest dark means from that topsoil to it is little darkest lighter. It is usually harder and more compact than the topsoil. If you compare to the topsoil, because topsoil is what soft and porous, but the subsoil little bit hard. You cannot say if you dig by hand it is very difficult, but topsoil by hand also we can dig that. It is rich in soluble materials and iron oxides. It is rich in soluble materials. That means which one? Like iron, all metals like materials like iron that and calcium. These all are that soluble materials. So these are we can get in the subsoil. It has very little humus, but which one have more humus where it is present in the topsoil, but it is little humus. And rainwater collected in this layer. The rainwater can stay in the subsoil. Second layer that water can store and can stay, but hold where it will be. Topsoil can hold that water, can stay that visible like it will stay sometime, but storing like that, suppose you are making that bore or you can make that well, you have to dig in some fast soil, you won't get like that water, but whenever you go to the deep 50 feet or 100 feet like that to down, then you will get that water, lack of lot of water there, where when the rain will be, and that rain water will be stored in the second layer, that is called as a B horizon or the subsoil. Okay students, so now we will discuss about that C horizon. What is that? Okay students, now we are going to discuss about that third one, parent rock, or it is also called as a C horizon, the layer which is below that subsoil. This layer is below the subsoil, that means third layer of that soil. Okay, this is called as a parent rock, and it is, what are the features? It is made of the small lumps of rocks with space between formed by the cracks and crevices. Means like a small what is that, lumps of rocks like that it will be, and their cracks are there. Through this like that is there. Through this it can gap be there, air can go and water can pass. So these are like one rocks, like means low stones like that, one crepes like it is there. Okay students, and next rainwater collected in this region also. When that rain will come, it will store actually special which is in the middle layer, that is called as subsoil, and also it will some water it will be stored in the third layer, that is called as a C horizon, or it is called as a parent rock. Okay, below the parent rock there is also there is a solid rock, that is called as a bedrock. This is below this another one parent rock, below that one layer is there, that is called as a, what is that, solid rocks are like that it is there, and that is called as, what is that, a bedrock. Okay friends, so these are all about that profile. That means, so what is that description about that soil profile? That means the soil profile means it is contained that three layers, that layer of that soil, and first one is topsoil, second one is subsoil, third one is parent rock, and below the parent rock there is one bedrock. So what is that topsoil, what is that subsoil, and what is the parent rocks, already we have discussed. So next we have to discuss what are the, we will see about that what is the composition of the soil, we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.